Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, let me put some of this away. Today's video is going to be our Boxycharm, our April Boxycharm. Let me grab it. It is over here. This is what it looks like. I have had this for a couple days, but guys, it has been so crazy at work. Let me move my light back just a little bit so I can pull this drawer out. I have not had a chance to film this for you guys. So let's open it up. Ooh, bubble wrap. Where's the foam? Oh, yeah, there's some foam in there. So bubble wrap. Here is our card, and it looks like candy. Sweet treats. Oh, I see macaroons on there as well. So I got, oh my gosh, the variations on this thing has gotten like crazy. That is my variation. Let's get in. I'm grabbing the biggest thing I see in here. Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Let's find. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone-free with water-capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. This retails for $32. So that has paid for the box. Your monthly box is $25. And I do have a link down below if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm, Boxy Luxe, or Boxy Premium. I do love Touch and Soul. Have actually been using Saturday Skin Waterfall kind of as like a prep before my prep. So now I want to try this. It's nicely capped on there. Oh, wow. It is thick. Look at that. I just want to get a little bit on my finger. Then I'm going to close it back up. It does have a smell, but nothing. Oh my gosh. You can't see it. It's like, it's pink. But it's clear. Oh my gosh. How interesting is that? It's not sticky. It is cooling. It's starting to cool down. It smells very perfumey. Not like a sherbet or anything. It smells perfumey. So if you don't like perfumey smells, you're probably not going to like this. Interesting. I can't wait to try that. Okay, so there is number one. Next up, we have Dragon Beauty. Guys, I don't care anything for Dragon Beauty. There's nothing she has come out with that I've been interested in. Dragon Fire Color Corrector helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E, vitamin A, it blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage to make your makeup look even more flawless. Apply it anywhere you like to correct and neutralize, and blend with a flat concealer brush or a beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal. This retails for $25. Did they send out different colors? Because I got the shade Lavender. I'm going to open this and show it to you, but I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to use it. I would rather pass it along to somebody that would use it. So this will probably go in a future giveaway. The packaging is cute, but I mean, it's just, you know, like basic. It's like basic packaging. So there's that. So one of you guys might can use it. I'll pass it along to you guys. What do we have here? Demars? Demars? I don't know. 008. What are you? You are a body cleanser. I make soap, and I have so much soap, and I have so many like body washes because I love Bath and Body, and I have so much already. So this is probably going to go in a giveaway as well. An organic, low foaming, aromatic, soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee. Speaking of coffee, I need a sip of coffee. Rosemary and verbena. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes, I need my coffee. It softens. This retails for $22. This will also go in the giveaway. So more stuff going in the giveaway. It's not going to be a massive giveaway, but it will be, you know, something to celebrate. I dripped my coffee. Hitting 2K. Because we're almost at 2K, guys. So be sure you hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. There's two. There's a Pandora bracelet with an angel charm. And I may stick another charm on there. I don't know yet. Maybe. We'll see. And there'll be a skincare and makeup giveaway. Just a small makeup giveaway. One's international, which is the Pandora. And one is United States only, which is the makeup and skincare. Okay, what else we got? In eyeliner? Is this an eyeliner? We have a liner of some sort, a pen. Aurora eyeliner, yeah. If you've been looking for a long-lasting smudge-proof eyeliner, then look no further. The Aurora Intensively Precise Eyeliner in Espresso gives you an all-natural matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours, made with German ink technology to ensure a flawless finish with an ultra-fine felt tip. The natural ink formula is 100% free of alcohol, won't smudge. This gorgeous liner provides a smooth, luminous look for any occasion. It is safe for sensitive eyes. This retails for $11.99. Ooh, give me a mirror. I want to see. Because I don't really have any eyeliner on. Interesting. It's very, well, I don't know if it's just because it's new. It's not juicy. It's very kind of dry. But leaves a line. I don't know how to explain that. You know how some liners are very juicy with the liquid in the tip? And it can kind of feather, which it was saying it doesn't budge. I like that because it's kind of dry and it doesn't, but it just went where I put it. I like that. Do I have some little bit of fallout from my eyeshadow? I don't know. But anywho, there was that one. Last thing in the box is a Natasha Denona palette, and I love her palettes. We're going to throw that over on the bed. We're going to throw that in the box. Oh, 2 points. And I got the one that has the green. Because I think there was two palettes you could get. Okay. The Jubilee Eyeshadow Palette is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 colorful, ultra-pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with, oh, Lord, her iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls. Use it for a variety of creations from playful, colorful, blah, 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 blah. Cruelty-free, allergen-free, suitable for every skin tone. $48. So, if I hadn't already done my eyes, we will use this in another video. But I do love her palettes. I like that we have these 2 really nice mattes over here. And these look to be shimmery. This one looks black, but it doesn't look black. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like it has a green undertone. I don't want to swatch it, but it looks black. Heck with it. See? Well, wait. Right there. See? It has like a green undertone. Yes, it is not black at all. What? Oh my gosh, how do you do that? It looks black. It looks black in this pan, but like it has a very slight looking green undertone when you turn it to the side. How do you do that? How do you do that, Natasha? But that's very interesting. Okay, I need another. I had some makeup wipes somewhere, but I don't know what I've done with them. All right, guys, that is the Boxycharm. We will use this. I bet this is going to stain my skin. We'll use this palette to get ready one day. I can't wait to see how that green looks on the eyes because I love green on my eyes. All right, guys, be sure you hit subscribe, thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite item in your box or my box, anybody's box that you saw? What was your favorite item this month? And I'll see you guys on the next one.